Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showcasing leopard. I will not only do a showcase but also a damage comparison. Currently I have 320 mastery on leopard and we are gonna use the pearl scarf. I'm using the pearl scarf because according to the nerd it gives you 15% more damage on Blox fruit, which is the highest damage boost you can get from any accessories that I know of as of now. For the first part, I'm not gonna use the pearl scarf. Then after showcasing all the moves, I am gonna use it. I don't know what's going on, but I think my game is glitched. Because with or without Haki, the extra stat points are still the same. So it doesn't matter if I activate it or not, but I'm still gonna use it for the video. Enjoy. In conclusion, there is a huge difference between using the Pell scarf and not using it. You can tell that using it will give you indeed a lot of extra damage, and while not using it, the damage is very mid. I had to mute this part of the video because I forgot to turn off the sound and because of copyright reasons. I noticed that transformed leopard gives you extra speed, so now we're going to do a comparison while being transformed and while not being transformed. This is just running, and then when coming back we are gonna dash to see if it's faster. As you can clearly see, dashing is way faster than just running. Being transformed and not being transformed, there is clearly a huge difference. Not being transformed, the speed is very slow. I had to dash there because it was taking too long. I also discovered that transforming also does damage. This is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.